Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you're looking for a serious upgrade to your car stereo, check out this awesome one from SJOYBRING. This head unit is a must-see. My husband did the install and is really blown away by how much more fun his car is with it. For one thing, he said that the instruction booklet was phenomenal. Every single step was outlined, making it a very easy process. He did have to do a few tweaks to the brackets in his car, but it looks so professional and it's completely installed now. It comes with wired and wireless Apple CarPlay or Android connectability, and it works great as well. The crystal clear LED touchscreen is a 1024 by 600 resolution, making it really easy to see and to operate. And you can connect it easily to your steering wheel, making connections and operating the radio really easy while you're driving. The radio did come with a reverse camera, but my husband's car already had one, so he left it as is, going with just the radio setup, which is a huge upgrade for his car. Not only was the radio an easy install, but it works great. You can easily start driving around and enjoying your radio and your car tunes, as well as connecting with calls with no problem with this great stereo system. And that's my point of view.